Welcome to Tech World for Kids. Let's create our first game today. Now, open your tablet, find your Scratch Junior, tap on it. Okay, tap on Home. Tap on Plus. This is to create a new game. You can see it's white here, and there's a cat. Since there's a cat, let's create a dancing cat. There are many buttons here. Look at the first one. If we drag this down, you can see there's an arrow pointing to the right, and there's a number 1 here. So this means the cat will move to the right for 1 step. So if you tap on this, see the cat move a bit. If I tap again, look at how the cat moves. It will go to the right by 1 step. Now the second one, you put it behind the first one. The second one means going to the left by 1 step. And the next one means go up by 1 step. And the fourth one means go down by 1 step. Okay, now all these 4 are connected. If you tap the first one, the cat will go right, go left, go up, go down. Okay, try again. Look at how the cat moves. Okay, now I want the cat to repeat this sequence again. So I'll put all these buttons behind this again. Okay, so now the cat will go to the right, go to the left, go up, go down, right, left, up, down. Okay, so altogether there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 steps. If I tap the first one, look at how the cat moves. Okay, the cat is dancing. If you want to make it more fun, you can add more like this one. So this one meaning jump up, then come back. And I jump up by 2 steps. Let's put it here. Let's put it behind. Okay, now tap on the first button again. You see the jump? Let's try again. Okay, so this is how the dancing cat moves. What if we are creating this game, we don't want people to see this part, right? Only want people to play the game. So what should we do? Look at the yellow button here. If you tap on the yellow button, all these are yellow buttons. First one is a green flag. So I'm going to drag this flag and put it in front. This time, if I tap the green flag, the cat will also dance this way, right? So try again. Okay. And there is another green flag here. So if you tap this green flag, the cat will also dance this sequence. If you want to enlarge this part, tap on this button. Okay, now you can only see the game, right? You don't see the buttons below. And there's a green flag here for you to start the game. So let's try. And this button is for us to go back so we can change our code. So let's tap on this. See, all these are here. Whatever you have done is here. Okay, so now we have a dancing cat. If you tap on this home button, you can see all the things you have created are here. So I have created 2 projects. That's why I have project 1 and project 2. If you want to change the name of the project, tap on this. And look at this, there's something yellow here. Tap on this. You see the name here. Now I'm going to change this name. I'm going to call it a dancing cat. Okay. After that, just tap on this tick. Okay. Now we have changed the name of the project. To make sure it's changed, tap on home. You can see a dancing cat. The name of the project is already changed.